Welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Alright. In this episode, we've got new mirrors for the Blazer. When I bought it, it had one of the CalView style sport mirrors over here. And then on this side, it's got a stock mirror. So obviously, we had to fix that. You can't buy a single mirror. So I just bought a set of the cheapest eBay sport mirrors I could get. And these things are rad. They're made by Clear Eyes. I think that's the brand right there. And to be honest, they're pretty much just like the street scenes. There's not really a difference. These may be a tad bit bigger and the mounting is different. Whereas this is one solid piece. They designed this to be like this. I guess so it could be universal, fit other vehicles and such. But we're gonna get these pulled off and then put the other ones on. Woo! Super nice. Got a bunch of stuff in there. Get all that out. So what Derek's doing right now is taking all these clips back out that have to slide into that door panel. While you're in here, it's always a good idea to do some cleaning. If anything's dirty. Looks like they took the plastic mat off of here probably when they installed the lock actuator. Put everything inside there, pull it out, just throw it on the floor. It's a screw. What that's for. Which one? Oh, in this tray. Might need to save those, so just put them off to the side. If you don't grab it from the other side, that thing's falling in. You know what that means. 7 years bad luck. Just like if you swallow bubble gum. And I did drop one of those nuts down in here. I'm gonna see if I can get my hand behind here and get it. Ow! Fucking part of a rivet in there. There it is. Cool. So I was having problems with this not staying down. I thought it honestly might be because of the way that mirror was mounted on there. I don't think it was on there good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the time to clean this. That's just regular grime and mildew. We'll just take a rag with some purple power and wipe that off real quick. Whenever you take something off, you always want to clean it. Huh? Okay, you want to figure out which one's the driver's side over there for me?
Right here. I already figured that out when we pulled them out.
Man, we're so fucking smart, Derek. Oh, easy. What are you doing over there? Make sure you get that in there good, because the only way to tighten that back up is to take the mirror completely back off. And you want to have to do that over a floppy mirror. Cool. So this is it right here. Gotta really want to line it up, you know? There we go. Nice. It's a good look, that's for sure. Alright, from here it wants us to mount these inside of here. Here, see if you can put a nut on there. It's a 10 millimeter. So when they're all flushed up, there's a pretty big gap there, and I don't like that. And seeing as how these are solid all the way through, I'm gonna pull these out and then just cut a little bit off of each one of these until it gets right. Go. One last fit. Oh yeah, perfect. That's exactly how it needs to sit. Now we can assemble this one and install it. Got to go back and do the other side though. Feels so awesome to have matching mirrors now. I always thought it looked so goofy. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that ever noticed, because sitting in here I could see this one and that one, but nobody else was ever looking at them. Overall finish, I mean, you see there's some casting imperfections. They probably went a little thinner on that because you can see a little bit of waves in here, but if you're gonna paint these, bodywork them and paint them, never be a problem. And there's a logo right in here that's molded that you could probably see from in here. But other than that, they're identical to the street scenes. They mount just a hair different. You know, you saw me driving those studs in there. Well, on the street scenes, the studs are already pressed in. So I think they just went a little further on the development here on this part of it. And as you can see, there's some gusseting there, and then it's a pass through, so you can, you know, wire in signals or whatever through into there. And then this is studded, and this is already studded. But I don't mind having, yeah, see that this plate's made for late S10. But I don't mind having to grind these down because you can get that perfect fit. With these, unless it's already a perfect fit, there's no way to achieve it other than adding washers to space it. But other than that, I love them. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. We really appreciate all of your support. We're making a lot of progress on the rotary swap Tacoma, and I'm making a lot of progress on this. Expect some more videos coming soon for suspension and steering stuff on the Blazer, and a lot more rotary content now that we have the motor mounts in. If you guys want to find any of our merch, shirts, stickers, koozies, anything like that, you can find it. We also have masks that are Definitely Not Mechanics logoed, and they look really fucking sweet. Check those out on our Facebook store. It's facebook.com/definitely-not-mechanics, like maybe /shop or something. I don't know. We appreciate you guys, and like, share, subscribe, show your friends, grab your mom's phone, subscribe, let her know what's up. She's gonna like our content too, promise.